Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the different colleges, and here the vacancies are also announced from the multiple departments that you can see here on this thumbnail. And here the candidates who are having only the post graduation PG plus UG Net or the PhD. So for all these different categories here the vacancies are there. So utilize the opportunity, and after watching this video please share this one to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as immediate notifications to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the multiple colleges and multiple departmental vacancies. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending the lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UG Net exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Into the present content of the video. So out of the different colleges here, the first one is Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology from Telangana. So here the walk-in interviews are announced for the positions of professor, associate professor and assistant professor in the subjects electrical, mechanical, computer, civil, electronics, MBA, English, chemistry, maths and physics. And the walk-in interview is also mentioned here, 30th October or else the 31st October 2021 from morning 10 o'clock to evening 4 o'clock. And eligibility and pay as per the AICTE norm. So if you are unable to attend the interview, then you may send your resumes to the following subject-wise email IDs. So for ECE, CSE, EEE, that means here the subject-wise the email IDs are provided. If you can't able to attend the interviews, then you please send your resumes to this provided mail ID. Okay, and coming to the professor and associate professor, you have to send to this mail ID. And apply for Dean Academics. So for the Dean Academics, the qualification required is PhD in engineering with minimum 10 years of teaching experience should be able to implement the good pedagogical teaching learning process. And here the mail ID is also provided. Fine. So here the contact numbers are also there. If you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, you may contact these numbers. And coming to the second college is Adiyaman College of Engineering Autonomous from Tamil Nadu, Hosur. Here the applications are invited for the post of professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies for the departments of computers, IT, electronics and electrical, mechanical, aeronautical, civil, biomedical, chemical, biotech, architecture, MBA, MCA, maths, English, physics and chemistry. And eligibility and salary as per the norms, and higher salary is also provided based upon the outstanding academic and the research record. And the interested candidates, you may apply within 10 days with a detailed CV. And here the resume is, here the mail ID is also provided. So whoever the interested and eligible candidates are there, you may send your resume to this provided mail ID. And coming to the next college is St. Thomas College, Palai. So from this one, here we got the recruitment notification regarding the assistant professor vacancies. And here the contact numbers as well as the mail ID is also provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact this number. And the English 3, Statistics 1, Physics 4, Botany 1, History 4, Zoology 1 and Commerce 1. So here the number of vacancies are also mentioned here. And age qualifications and everything as per the UGC and Government of Kerala or Mahatma Gandhi University norms. Okay. And the duly filled in application forms and copies of all required documents along with an application fee of 1000 rupees by cash or DD 1050 drawn in favor of Principal St. Thomas College, Palai, payable at Palai, may be submitted to the college office during working hours either by hand or else by post on or before 30th day from the date of this notification. Okay, so it is a way of applying for this college, guys. And coming to the next one is the OPJS University, Churu from Rajasthan state. Okay, And the vacancy, so it invites the vacancies for the departments of associate and assistant professor positions in the departments of pharmacy, law, education, humanities and arts, life and applied science, and veterinary science, agriculture science, and animal husbandry and physiotherapy. And apart from this one, here the non-teaching vacancies are also there. They are deputy registrar, assistant registrar, director admission, controller of examination, web administrator, and the office executive. Fine. Eligibility and qualifications, everything as per the UGC, PCA, VCA or the NCTA norms. Whoever the interested and eligible candidates are there, then you may send your detailed resume or CV within 7 days to the registrar@opjsuniversity.edu.in, and the mobile number is also provided here. If you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you may contact this number. Okay. And coming to the next college is Bhagwant Global University, established by the government of Uttarakhand. So in this one, the vacancies are announced for the teaching as well as the non-teaching vacancies. And coming to the non-teaching or the administrative vacancies are Pro Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Deputy Registrar, Director for Training and Placement Marketing Admissions, Assistant, Associate and Professor vacancies in B Pharma, D Pharma, Nursing, MLT, BMRIT, MBA, BCA, MCA, LLB, B.Ed, Mechanical, Civil, CSC, Chemistry and English. Qualifications and experience as per the UGC norms. Whoever the interested and eligible candidates are there, you may send your resume within 7 days with the copy of certificates, experience letter, Aadhaar card number, PAN card number, salary expected to the provided mail ID. Approximate time to join must be mentioned also in the resume. Okay, retired persons may also apply. That means when you are going to join, okay, that one also you have to mention in the resume. And here the contact number is provided. If you are having any queries regarding this job notification, then you may contact this number. Okay. And next college is MIT World Peace University from Pune. So here we are having the professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there in the UG and PG department. And while coming to the subjects are civil engineering, computer engineering and mechanical, School of Design, computer science, management, and UG management, and the School of Commerce. And here the specializations are also mentioned, guys, so you may check down. Next, economics and law and School of Government, Hospitality, Chemistry, Pharmacy, Liberal Arts. And coming to the liberal arts, English, Political Science and Psychology, and School of Fine Arts. Okay, and Petroleum, Public Policy, Mathematics and Statistics, Biology and Sustainability Studies, Public Health, Media and Journalism, Education and Research, Peace Studies, Yoga and Philosophy. So for all the positions, PhD is mandatory, but if the PhD candidates are not available, then the qualified candidates and the experienced candidates will be considered. So even though if you are having the only post-graduation or else the PG plus UGSNet are there in these respective departments, then also you apply this, okay, no problem. So scan the QR and then apply within 15 days from the release date of this advertisement. Okay. Or else here the mitwpu.edu.in/careers. You may directly go to the official website of this university, and after entering into the official website, you just go to the careers blog. Okay, and from there also you can apply for these positions. Okay, so total these are the different colleges, guys, and I hope that multiple departments are covered in this video. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and a general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription.